Now, the centre has directed Uttar Pradesh and Bihar to prevent the dumping of dead bodies in the Ganga and its tributaries and focus on their safe disposal and a dignified cremation after hundreds of corpses were seen floating in these rivers following a spurt in the number of COVID deaths also seen buried along the riverbed. At a review meeting conducted on May 15-16, the centre said dumping of dead bodies and partially burnt or decomposed corpses in the Ganga and its tributaries has recently been reported, which is most undesirable and alarming. Now, police units in different districts across UP have stepped up patrolling by the banks and on the river itself to prevent the bodies from being thrown into the river or buried along it. Visuals from eastern UP's Balia district, where decomposed bodies were found floating in the river last week, showed police boats on the river carrying out patrolling. A separate police team was filmed making announcements asking people not to throw bodies into the river.
जो गंगा जी के किनारे हैं वहां पर पुलिस लगातार भ्रमण कर रही है, जिससे कि गंगा जी में किसी भी प्रकार की वस्तु बहाकर, कोई शव बहाकर प्रदूषण न किया जाए। दूसरा, जो आसपास के गांव हैं उसमें लगातार पुलिस भ्रमण करके वहां के मौजूद लोगों से, प्रधानों से, चौकीदारों से, अन्य जो संभ्रांत व्यक्ति हैं गांव के, उनको जागरूक कर रही है इस प्रकार की घटना न करने के लिए।
Well, let's go across to NDTV's Alok Pandey for more. And Alok, this was something that led to a lot of outrage. At first, it was bodies that were found in the Ganga in Bihar and then bodies buried all along the banks of the Ganga in UP. And now the centre has also asked both states to ensure that bodies aren't dumped in this manner and that people are actually helped in cremating their loved ones.
Well, you are right. So, yesterday when we woke up, Gargi, we saw that all newspapers here in Uttar Pradesh had these big advertisements by the UP government where they said that please don't dump your bodies into the river, into any water body, and don't also bury it by any river. In case you cannot find wood for cremations or you find it to be very expensive, the government will bear 5,000 rupees as the cost of a single cremation. Now, obviously, it will be a different story on the ground. We'll get to know about that in a while, I guess, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, about how that's taking place. But the shots that you see now are split-screen shots. On one hand, you had Balia, where those river patrols are taking place. You can see those shots there, where, teams of the police, river police actually, and also from thanas which are by the Ganga are going all over the river, trying to check for any bodies or anyone who may be dumping their bodies into the river. And on the other hand, like you said, the concern is that we are still discovering many places where, you have these bodies buried. For instance, now you see those shots from Prayagraj. And these are shots from two prominent ghats in Prayagraj. And you see that there are multiple bodies that are buried there. Of course, these have been buried over a month. And not all bodies are of suspected COVID patients. But anyway, it's very difficult to know, what bodies are of COVID patients, what bodies are of not of COVID patients, because at the end of the day, you haven't had too much testing, tracing in the villages, at least in the last 2-3 weeks from when these bodies would have been dumped here by the riverside. So really concerning situation. Now you see some police have been deployed along these ghats and they are trying to ask people not to bury their dead, to cremate them. But all in all, a shocking situation.
Right, Alok, and we'll have to wait and see what the impact of the government offer of helping to cremate the bodies and announcing this money for people who are unable to cremate, what effect that has. Thanks so much for joining us with those details.